You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase in English, both British English and American English pronunciations. So let's break it down. Crepe. Yes, I know it's this spelled a bit like the French word crepe, okay, the French pancakes, but it's actually pronounced in English crepe. Crepe Myrtle, that's British English. Myrtle, the Americans' US pronunciation is as Myrtle. Crepe Myrtle, American English, or Crepe Myrtle, British English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.